Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chalo Maths Padhane. Dear students, we have a question. In this question we have to find the interval in which of the interval the given function is decreasing, right? How we can find its solution very easily. Watch till the end and share it to your friends. Let us start with solution. First of all, we have given function fx equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1. To solve it, first of all we differentiate, right? First of all we differentiate with respect to x, then we get here 6x square minus 30x plus 36, and derivative of 1 is 0 with respect to x, right? Now we take 6 common from each term, then we get here 6 into x square minus 5x plus 6, and now we factorize this, and after factorizing we get by middle term splitting we can factorize it, and we get here x minus 2 into x minus 3. You can check by multiplying, right? Now to find the critical point we equate its derivative f dash x to 0, right? For critical point let f dash x equals to 0, then what we will get? 6 times of x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 2 and x equals to 3. We have two critical points, 2 and 3, right? Now we draw a line, a straight line, and represent numbers on it, minus infinity to infinity. Take here 2 and here 3. We have three intervals here. First interval is open interval minus infinity to 2, and second interval is open interval 2 to 3, and third interval is 3 to infinity, open intervals, right? Now we put the values from each interval in given derivatives, and we know that if derivatives means f dash x is less than 0 for all x belongs to an interval, then in that interval fx is decreasing. If fx is greater than 0, then fx is increasing, right? So we take a number less than 2 and put the number in f dash x. If we take a number less than 2, 1, and put in f dash x, then we get what? If we put 1, then we get here 1 minus 2 minus 1, and here 1 minus 3 minus 2, and after multiplying we get positive. Means we can get here f dash x is positive, greater than 0 for all x belongs to this interval, right? And if we put any number from this interval, means a number between 2 and 3 in f dash x, then we get negative. You can check by putting. We get here what? F dash x less than 0. And from this interval, if we put a number in f dash x, then we get f dash x is greater than 0. Greater than 0. And we know that if f dash x is greater than 0, then the function is increasing in that interval. Means here fx is increasing, and in this interval in decreasing, because f dash x is less than 0, and in this interval increasing. Okay, means we can say that fx is decreasing in which interval? Open interval 2 to 3. Therefore here we write decreasing, here increasing, and here increasing. Means our answer should be what? Option A is right answer of this question. Means in this interval given function is decreasing. Okay, I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.